Here we are talking about the Parker House Catalina collection. One of the greatest features of the Parker House Catalina is we can change the look of it really quick by either having a shaker style front or a shutter style front. And today we're just going to show you how we do that, how easy it is. So when it ships, it's going to just ship one way. And if you decide you want to switch it to a different way, this is how easy it is. It's kind of like changing a picture frame. You're going to turn all of these like this. We should have like a timer up here. You can see the time frame that it takes to do it. We literally swap it, stick it back in, shutter it in, and back into place how it was. Turn these, like I said, it's just like if you've ever done a picture frame. It's a very similar process. Put these in, turn it, and now we have a shaker front instead of a shutter front. Of course, you could do it vice versa.